Welcome, I'm Vic, and today's topic has been on my mind for quite some weeks now. The UK is one of Europe's leading locations for data centres, with hundreds already in operation. I have Rob here with me today. So, Rob, is it a good idea to build more data centres in the UK?
Personally, yes. We already host nearly a quarter of Europe's AI data centres, and they're essential for economic growth, creating jobs, supporting AI development and keeping the UK competitive.
But they have a huge environmental impact. The largest data centre in South Wales uses 80 megawatts of electricity. That's enough to power around 60,000 homes. As more centres are built, they'll put even more pressure on the national grid.
Yes, but you'll be pleased to know that companies are working to reduce those impacts. I'm aware of many new centres using liquid cooling systems. These circulate fluid directly over hot components, which is much more efficient. Others recycle water using closed-loop cooling systems or renewable or nuclear energy. Some even recycle waste heat, which can provide heating for homes, schools and hospitals nearby.
The problem is that data centres already use around 2% of the UK's electricity, and some experts think that could rise to 12% by 2050. Many still rely partly on fossil fuels, making it harder for the UK to reach its net zero climate goals.
I agree, they do have environmental challenges, but technology is improving all the time. And if companies continue investing in cleaner energy and more efficient cooling systems, data centres can become much more sustainable while still supporting the UK's digital economy.
Those improvements are positive, but there are still concerns. Data centres can use millions of litres of water for cooling, which can put pressure on local water supplies. They also create constant noise from cooling equipment, produce air pollution from diesel backup generators, and generate large amounts of electronic waste because servers are replaced every few years.
That's true, but companies like Google and Microsoft choose the UK because we have reliable infrastructure, a cool climate and strong data protection laws. The government has even made data centres nationally significant infrastructure projects because they believe they're vital for the country's future.
I think we need to be careful. Economic growth is important, but it shouldn't come at the expense of local communities or the environment. New data centres should only be approved if they meet strict environmental standards and minimise their impact on energy, water and pollution.
Well, data centres play an important role in supporting AI, business and the UK economy, but yes, they do also create significant environmental challenges.
Yes, and the key question is how to balance technological progress with protecting the environment through cleaner technology, renewable energy and stricter sustainability rules. Thanks for joining, Rob, and thank you for listening.